Myself, Dr. M. Saranya, Assistant Professor of BB Department. Now, I'm going to present a topic on management objectives and its importance. So, first, we are going to see about objectives of management. The management objectives is uh, getting maximum result with minimum efforts. The main objective of management is to secure maximum outputs with minimum efforts and resources. Management is basically concerned with thinking and utilizing humans, materials, and financial resources in such a manner that would result in the best combination. This combination results in reductions of various costs. Next point is increasing the efficiency of factors of production. Through proper utilization of various factors of production, their efficiency can be increased to a great extent, which can be obtained by reducing spoilage, wastage, and breakage of all kinds. This in turn leads to saving of times, effort, and money, which is essential for the growth and prosperity of the enterprise. Maximum prosperity for employers and employees. Management ensure smooth and coordinated functioning of the enterprises. This in turn helps in providing maximum benefits to the employees in the shape of good working conditions, suitable wage system, incentive plans on the one hand, and higher benefit to the employer on the other hand. So social justice management serves as a tool for the upliftment as well as the benefits of the society. It also increased productivity and employment management ensure better standard of living for the employer and employees. Next, we are going to see about the importance of management. It helps in achieving the group goals. It arranges the factors of production, assembles and organizes the resources, integrate resources in effective manner to achieve goals. It directs groups' effort towards achievement of predetermined goals. By defining objectives of organization clearly, there would be no wastage of time, money, and efforts. Management converts disorganized resources of men, machine, money, etc. into useful enterprises. These resources are coordinated, directed, and controlled in such a manner that enterprise work towards attainment of goal. Optimum utilizations of resources. Management utilize all the physical and human resources productively. This leads to efficacy in management. Management provides maximum utilizations of cash resources by selecting its best possible alternative use in industry from out of various uses. It makes use of expert professional and these services lead to use of their skills, knowledge and proper utilization avoid wastages. Minimum cost, it gets maximum result through minimum input by proper planning and using the minimum input and getting maximum output. Next one is establishes sound organization. No overlapping of efforts to establish sound organizational structure is one of the objectives of management, which is in tune with objectives of organization. And for fulfillment of this, it establishes effective authority and responsibility relationship. Who is accountable to whom? Who can give instruction to whom? Who are superior and who are subordinate? Management fill up various positions with right person having right skill, training and qualifications. All jobs should be clear to everyone. Next, establishes equilibrium. It enables the organization to survive in changing environment. It keeps in touch with the changing environment. Essentials of prosperity society. Efficient management lead to better economical production, which helps in turn to increase the welfare of the people. Management as a process management referred to a series of interrelated functions. It is the process by which management create, operate, and direct purposive organization through systematic, coordinated, and cooperative human efforts. Management is a social process since human factor is most important among the other factors. Therefore, management is concerned with the developing relationship among people. It is the duty of the management to make interaction between the people productive and useful for obtaining organizational goal. Management is an integrating process, and also management is a continuous process. Thank you.